As I sat at my desk, staring blankly at the spreadsheet before me, I knew I had to crack the code. Microsoft Excel, the powerful tool that could unlock the secrets of data analysis, seemed like an impenetrable fortress, but I was determined to breach its walls. I began with the basics, navigating the treacherous terrain of cells and formulas, but as I delved deeper, I discovered the hidden powers of pivot tables and macros. The data began to reveal its secrets, and I was hooked. With each new skill I mastered, the puzzle pieces fell into place. I uncovered hidden patterns, exposed errors, and unleashed the full force of Excel's might. The numbers danced before my eyes, telling a story of trends and insights that would change the game. As I emerged victorious, the Excel Enigma revealed its final secret, the power to transform data into knowledge. And with that, I became the master of my own data destiny. Learn Microsoft Excel and unlock the secrets of the data universe. The thrill of discovery awaits.